Good morning, kindergarten. I hope you had a wonderful weekend and you are ready to do some learning this week. I have a message for you for this week, and I want you to remember it all week. It is today is the day to learn something new. And we're going to focus on that all this week and stay really motivated to work hard and keep learning this week, okay? So we're going to start off with our reading lesson. And our essential question for this week is talking about the wonders of nature and how things in nature can be used to make new things. Kind of like what we were talking about last week with recycling and things like that, right, for Earth Day. So that's our essential question this week. And the book we're going to read is a nonfiction book, and it talks about just that, about things in nature and how they're being used to make other things. So in that book, there are a couple of new sight words. The first one is the sight word where. So if you look at the sight word where, we see WH at the beginning saying wa. And then I see an E-R-E, a ninja E, but that ninja E is not doing its job. So that's why this is a sight word. It's a tricky word. So E is not jumping on that other E to make it say its name. So that's why we have to practice it. It's the word where. The other one we have worked on before. It's the word look, right? And we can remember by there's two little eyes in the middle looking at us. So both of those words are in our story, as well as something that we just started working on, which is when two vowels are together. So does anybody remember the rhyme? When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, right? Now that first one can either say its sound like eh for E, or it can say its name sometimes because we know vowels have two sounds and they can flip the sound. So for example, this word right here is in our book. I see a blend, burr, and then E can say E or E can say eh. Let's try it saying eh. Bread. That's the word bread. You're right. And then this one is an example of the E who's going to be saying its name. Let's try it. Eat. Wheat, right. And wheat is made into bread, isn't it? So we're going to read those words and read this book together. Of course, your learning target is going to be to use your strategies and all the things that you've learned so far in kindergarten to work really hard to read all of the words in this book. So the book is going to be in Seesaw, and I want you guys to take a look at it, read it 2 or 3 times, get some good practice using your strategies, and then I want you to pick one page in Seesaw and record yourself reading that page so that I can hear you read. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'm so proud of you, and I'll see you soon.